Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel for another video. So 2026 decided to start out kind of spicy because literally on January 1st, I got an email that said, "Hey Jeff, you want a free bag?" And I was like, "Sir, I don't know you, but yes." So a company called Bange reached out and asked if I wanted to check out their sling bag. I looked at it and I went, okay, that's actually kind of slick. And now here we are. So let's roll the intro. So yes, Bange did send this bag for free. They didn't tell me what to say. They didn't give me a script. They didn't threaten my life. They didn't threaten my family. All they said was, make a video, make it longer than 1 minute. So technically, I could have made a lazy YouTube short and just called it a day. But while I was using this, I realized it actually deserved better than that. So Bange, you're welcome. All right, so here's the deal. I've been looking for a sling bag for a while because when I go out on my morning walks, I don't want to carry a full camera backpack. I just want something that's small, that lets me bring a camera and a lens without looking like I'm hiking Mount Everest. Now, this is not a camera bag. They never said it was. This was completely my idea. But I mean, look at this. I've got my mirrorless camera and even my Sigma 120-400 in it, and it fits. There's no struggle, no Tetris, no issues at all. And then there's the pockets. So many pockets. Like every time I open this bag, I find another one. I swear, this thing has more pockets than I have emotional baggage. Now, there's a pocket for your phone. There's a pocket for your wallet, a pocket for your keys, a pocket for your snacks, probably a pocket for your hopes and dreams. There's even a built-in slot for a power bank with a cable pass-through so you can charge your phone or your GoPro while it's outside of the bag. Now, that part, it's actually pretty useful. You can fit a camera, a lens, a tablet, a notebook, a charger, your wallet, your keys, and still have room left over. It's small, but it's sneaky small. Comfort-wise, it's great. You can wear it across your chest, or you can wear it across your back. And it doesn't feel cheap or floppy. It doesn't feel like you're gonna rip the bag open and spill your gear all over the sidewalk. I've been using it pretty much every morning when I go for my walks, and now it's just part of my routine. Put on my shoes, grab my keys, bag, go. That's how you know something's good. Now, this bag, it goes for about $40 on Amazon, which is honestly kind of wild because it feels way more premium than that. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description if you want to check it out. No pressure, no sales pitch, just a cool bag that I actually use. So yeah, I just wanted to show this thing off because it's really a solid grab and go option, especially if you're a photographer who doesn't want to carry a whole backpack just to go outside. So drop a comment, let me know, what do you think? Does this look like something that you could use or something that you have used? I want to hear from you. Remember to smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and click the bell for more videos. Also hit up my website, jeff-gresham.com, for my newly released photo prints featuring various shots taken all around Northern Nevada, as well as my Lightroom presets pack. And until next time, thanks for hanging out with me. Get out there and shoot. And I will catch you in the next one. Or the one after that, the one after that, so on and so forth. You know what I'm talking about.